Bring back your car's shine with the right polishing power and precision tools. Best car polisher machines deliver smooth finishes, remove scratches, and enhance gloss effortlessly. From beginners to pros, these machines help achieve showroom-quality results at home with less time and effort. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. SPTA Polisher Car Polisher Machine. The SPTA Mini Cordless Polisher stands out as a precision-focused tool designed for detailers who need flexibility and control in tight spaces. It's compact and lightweight. Construction makes it especially effective for intricate areas such as emblems, body lines, and corners where larger polishers struggle. Equipped with multiple backing plate sizes, 25mm, 50mm, and 80mm, it offers versatility for targeted paint correction and finishing tasks. The cordless design eliminates the hassle of cables, allowing unrestricted movement around the vehicle, which is a major advantage for mobile detailing setups. Performance-wise, it delivers stable speed with low noise output, making extended use more comfortable. The included dual battery system ensures continuous operation, as one battery can charge while the other is in use. With a 2,000 mAh capacity, it provides sufficient runtime for small to medium detailing jobs. This tool is particularly suitable for Number 2. DEWALT DWP849X Car Polisher Machine. The DEWALT DWP849X is a heavy-duty car polisher engineered for durability and consistent high performance, making it a preferred choice among professionals. Built with all ball bearing construction and precision-cut steel gears, this machine is designed to withstand rigorous long-term use. Its robust motor delivers reliable power, ideal for tackling demanding polishing, buffing, and paint correction tasks. One of its standout features is the variable speed trigger combined with a large speed dial, allowing users to fine-tune RPM levels based on the application, whether it's delicate finishing or aggressive compounding. The rubber overmolded gear case enhances grip and handling, reducing fatigue during extended sessions. Additionally, the replaceable wool ingestion shield protects the internal components, extending the machine's lifespan. Safety is also prioritized with the no-volt release switch, preventing accidental startups after power interruptions. Number 3. Chemical Lightweight Car Polisher Machine. The Chemical Guys TORQX Random Orbital Polisher, BUF 503, is a well-balanced machine designed to cater to both beginners and experienced detailers. Its dual-action random orbital motion significantly reduces the risk of paint damage, such as burns or holograms, making it a safe option for users still developing their technique. Powered by a 700W motor, it provides consistent torque and performance for tasks like removing swirls, scratches, oxidation, and water spots while restoring a deep, glossy finish. The 8mm orbit size offers an effective balance between correction ability and control, ensuring efficient results without being overly aggressive. Weighing just 4.7 pounds, it remains comfortable during extended detailing sessions, minimizing user fatigue. This polisher is compatible with a wide range of pads and compounds, making it a versatile tool for polishing, waxing, and finishing applications. Its user-friendly design and predictable. Number 4. SPTA 125mm Car Polisher Machine. The SPTA 125mm dual-action polisher is a powerful and versatile machine designed for users who need both performance and adaptability. Featuring a 750W motor and a 6.5A output, it delivers strong and consistent power for removing swirls, scratches, and oxidation from painted surfaces. The dual-action mechanism ensures safer operation by reducing the risk of paint damage, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Its 6-speed control dial allows precise adjustment from 2,000 to 5,200 revolutions per minute, enabling users to switch between gentle waxing and aggressive defect removal with ease. The constant speed and smooth start functions enhance control and stability, especially during long detailing sessions. Ergonomically designed, it includes both a side handle and a D handle, giving users flexibility in grip and improved comfort. Number 5. SPTA Brushless Car Polisher Machine. The SPTA Brushless Cordless Car Polisher combines modern brushless motor technology with cordless convenience, making it an efficient and user-friendly detailing tool. Its brushless motor not only ensures quieter operation, but also improves durability and energy efficiency compared to traditional designs. The absence of cords allows for unrestricted movement, which is particularly beneficial when working around larger vehicles or in areas without easy access to power outlets. With a 6-speed adjustable range from 2500 to 5000 RPM, users can tailor performance to specific tasks, from applying waxes to removing light defects. The 8mm random orbital action promotes even polishing results while minimizing the risk of damaging the paint, making it ideal for beginners. Its larger 5-inch to 6-inch backing plate increases coverage, improving efficiency on bigger panels. The 2000 mAh battery offers solid runtime, and the ability to swap batteries ensures I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.